This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Johnson. This prestige floor plan is move-in ready. Built in 2022, this spacious and functional floor plan offers 3 bedrooms plus den, 2.5 bathrooms boasting over 2,100 square feet of living. Beautifully enhanced by adding pendants and chandeliers in kitchen, cafe and den, Hunter Douglas blinds throughout an expoxy coated floor in garage, a chef's kitchen with KitchenAid appliances. The stunning light fixtures, window treatments, tray ceilings, floor outlets and glass insert for front door give this home a true custom feel. Verdana offers a plethora of amenities. Outdoor and indoor pickleball and tennis courts, multiple resort pool settings, restaurant cafe, and dog walk to name a few. Be sure to click on the video tour link for a more detailed experience. Make this your best forever home. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Johnson at 239-390-4000.